How to create boundaries in AutoCAD. Separate boundaries can be created from overlapping shapes in AutoCAD. Draw a rectangle and then intersect it with a circle, choosing both tools from the Draw panel. This newly created shape from the overlapping objects can be made into a different polyline altogether. In order to do so, go to the drop-down arrow of the Draw panel and select the Boundary option. A settings menu will emerge as a result. From there, select the Polyline option, which will make your selected region a polyline. Click on the Pick Points button and the tool is activated. Click on the region you wish to make a polyline and right-click to finalize your selection. It can now be moved separately by using the Move tool. This only works in a closed region though. In order to understand this, make an open space and select it from the Boundary tool. AutoCAD will give you an error and does not make it into a polyline or does not select the region as a whole. Press the Escape key to exit this tool. By creating a polyline from this tool, you can even find out the area of the separate shape you just created. In order to do so, select the shape and go to its properties to find out the area it occupies. This tool comes in handy when you want to create new shapes from already existing ones.